When was the last time you deep cleaned your refrigerator? You can easily clean and disinfect both the exterior and interior using white vinegar and some elbow grease. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle or bowl, then apply it to the exterior of the fridge. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before wiping the surfaces with a clean cloth, making sure to clean all parts thoroughly. For stainless steel fridges, wipe in the direction of the grain and polish with olive oil. Move any food to a cooler packed with ice before removing shelves and drawers. Then spray the interior with the vinegar solution as well. Wipe down the inside of your fridge, washing shelves and drawers with hot soapy water, and hand wash any removable organizers in the freezer too. Finally, put everything back in place and freshen the fridge by placing a bowl of vinegar inside to neutralize odors. Finish by cleaning food containers and organizing to keep your food neat and accessible.